Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace headlights on a Nissan Maxima. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight assembly. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. This ensures safety and provides a stable workspace for the task ahead. Let's get started. Next, we'll access the headlight. Begin by removing the plastic clips and bolts that secure the front bumper cover. You'll find these along the top and wheel wells. Gently pull the bumper cover away to reveal the headlight assembly. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors from the old headlight. Finally, unbolt the old unit from its mounting points. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Now it's time to install the new headlight. Carefully place the new headlight assembly into its designated mounting location. Ensure it sits flush and aligns correctly. Secure the new headlight using the bolts you removed previously, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the new headlight unit. Double-check that all connections are snug and secure for proper function. Finally, test your new headlights. Turn on your vehicle and check both low and high beams, as well as turn signals, to confirm everything works. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the front bumper cover, securing all the plastic clips and bolts. This completes the replacement process. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your improved visibility and safer driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.